Hello and welcome to the comprehension video for Thursday. Our genre is realistic fiction. Objective. What will I do today? Today I will identify and describe the main characters from our read aloud mission accomplished by drawing the main characters. Here's our realistic fiction anchor chart that we've been talking about all week. So in the realistic fiction, we have characters. Those are the people and animals in the story. The setting is where the story takes place. And the events are also known as the plot, what happens in the story. So our read aloud this week is called Mission Accomplished. So read aloud with me. Get your book and turn to page 31. As I read, think about the characters, the setting, and what happens in the story. Rena, we need more rocks. Where can we find some? The setting of a story is where it takes place. What do you think the setting of the story is? That's right, a playground. They're on a seesaw. We can use clues to help us find out where the setting is by looking at the pictures. I know where. We can go to Mars. Rena is one of the characters and she has a great idea to use her imagination to go to Mars. Buckle up, Christopher. Mars, here we come. Now we know the other character's name. It's Christopher. They are using their imagination to picture themselves going to Mars. You can tell this because you can see the little thought bubbles going. And they're both imagining themselves going to Mars to find rocks. This rock is shaped like a cube. I'll take it. I can use clues to tell how the characters are feeling in the story. How do you think Christopher and Rena are feeling? I can look at their faces in the picture and know that they're probably feeling pretty excited or happy. This rock is shaped like a circle. I'll take it. Christopher seems excited to use his imagination. This rock is shaped like a square. I'll take it. The characters, Christopher and Rena, are having fun together using their imagination. They're letting it take them to Mars. This rock is shaped like a triangle, but there's no room. The main characters are the people or animals in the story. This story is mostly about the characters Christopher and Rena. I see another character here in their imagination, but if you don't see a name for the character and the character isn't talking, then it's probably not a main character. So the main characters in this story are Christopher and Rena. I have room. Mission accomplished. Let's go home. So look at the question above. What word can you use to describe Rena and Christopher? What tells you about them? Think about things in the story that let you know something about their character. You can use clues in the picture to help you. Now it's your turn. Draw the characters from the story. Remember, the characters from the story are the people or animals that are in the story. Draw the characters from Mission Accomplished on page 43. Thank you for reading along. Good job. See you tomorrow.